So, series tied, Converge versus San Miguel. Anong nangyari? 2-2 right now. And actually napanood ko yung game. Mario was able to watch parts of it as well.
But yeah.
And it was a matter of, I would say,
Oh,
bigyan muna natin ng credit Converge before we go to SMB.
yeah.
Converge is really locked in. Yung momentum from the previous
Oh
game
yeah.
carried over to this one. And also, sa side naman ng SMB, maybe na dahil veterans nga sila, playing 6 games in 11 days could have played a part. But
Yeah.
what do you think, Mario? What do you think is the reason why this is the most unexpected series this first round of the quarterfinals of the Governors Cup?
Bro, una sa lahat, sobrang halatang pagod yung SMB. They look tired as hell, man. It doesn't help that they've been playing every other day.
Oh nga, six
Every
games in
other
11
day.
days. That's every other
Yeah.
day.
Basically, every other day they've been playing. And, ayun, kita mo naman. And, again, I talked about yung fit ng import nila. I don't super like the
So we'll go
fit with
straight
the
there kay
import.
EJ Anosike.
Yeah, I don't super enjoy the fit sa import. Gets ko naman injured si Jordan Adams, kaya di siya pwede. Pero the fit with Anosike and Junmar is not good. Like, okay, Junmar took 12 shots. He made 8 of them, but then your import took 21 and only made
Made
9.
nine.
See, like that's not good. That's not that he shot 42%. He tries to shoot a lot from three. Doesn't really go in a lot either.
Two for
Tapos
seven lang. Kasi hindi
yeah, and
naman talaga siya perimeter shooter.
mostly free throw merchant na lang siya at this point. 15 for 19 na lang siya. And then yung import ng Converge naman, just filling in his role. It doesn't really feel like
Hindi niya
he knows.
pinipilit, 'di ba? It
Hindi
just like
pinipilit.
okay,
Yeah.
pag binibigay sa kanya ng depensa to, sige, I'll
Oo,
score. Pero
sige.
pag
Oo.
walang nangyayari, I'll pass it. Like bigyan natin kay Harana
Oo.
or bigyan natin kay Stockton. That is
Oo.
why Converge has been doing well
Struggling.
these
Yeah.
past 2 games.
And look at the lineup naman talaga of SMB. You got Motao Tua back. He only played 6 minutes. Probably still a little injured. Pero
Hmm.
pati naman si Big Mo, he doesn't shoot outside that well. Inside
Inside
threat
din yan eh.
inside
Midi.
threat din siya. So sobrang tight sa loob na hindi ka makakapasok at all. Uh but going to Converge, si Shani's so good.
Ano
Shani
ba
is
si
back.
Sean?
Shani. Uh I think we can say na finally a coach who has confidence in him to play. He's getting so many minutes. He played 40. He played 40 minutes, man.
40 minutes.
26 points, and Arana had 25. And I mean, Justin Arana is going to be a problem for any team in the future. He's really good talaga. Yung footwork ni Justin Arana is good. And all that. But now if you're SMB, you were up 2-0. You should have won the game in 3. You should have won in 3 games.
Kasi up na kayo by ano eh. You were
Up na
up by
kayong 26.
25, 27? They were up by
Yeah.
27.
Sobrang laki na ng lamang nyo. And natapon siya because you guys just, I don't know what you decided to do.
In a way, lineup management, nag-relax lahat, pwede nyo nasabihin, bahala na kayo.
Yeah, and so many people now are like, sobrang galit sila kay Coach George, right?
Actually, yeah, sa
So
comments, based
people,
sa
yeah,
comment
people are
section.
all on Coach George. Kasi, okay, let's think about it like this. SMB lost by 14. But your import played 42 minutes. Junmar played 41 minutes. Marshall played 37 minutes.
CJ got fouled out.
CJ
He was
fouled
in
out.
foul trouble. He was in foul trouble
Yeah.
the whole game. Kaya split sila ng minutes ni
Yeah.
Jericho. 24-24.
Yeah, pero ang dami nilang nilaro minutes. When Junmar plays those type of minutes, when Marshall plays those type of minutes, and when your import plays that many minutes, you expect them to win the game by a pretty decent margin. Pero natalo kayo by a pretty decent margin in the same sense.
He lost by 14 here.
He lost by 14 to sila Shani. And now it's game 5. Yes, many people will still predict SMB kasi
Marami pa, even I would think na, oh yeah,
SMB
just
pa rin
based on
yan.
paper, SMB pa
Yeah.
rin.
Pero bilog yung bola. Like that's what everybody says, right? So now you put yourself in a game 5 position where literally anything can happen. Literally anything can happen. If Marshall decides to have a bad, not decides, that's a funny way to say it. But if Marshall has a bad shooting day, or if CJ and Jericho have bad games, what's next, right? Same can go for Converge. Bilog yung bola. do you really expect Shani to get another 26? Actually, maybe. The
Pwede. 20 plus. Pwede.
yeah. And now, parang lumilinaw yung lineup ng Converge. Parang nakikita nila na, okay, we can trust King Carlipio. They have trusted King Carlipio a lot. Which is something they've veered away. I think they veered away from JM
Kevin
De Los
Racal.
Santos
At Kevin
and
Racal
Kevin
din
Racal.
nawala sa rotation si
Yeah.
Kevin Racal.
And have went to more size with King Carlipio and Brian Santos. And that has worked. That has 100% worked. King Carlipio hit some pretty nice hit some 3-pointers once in a while. Brian Santos is mas lalong what the heck, my computer did. Mas lalong 3-point shooter si Brian Santos. Ayun. Honestly, I thought by the end of the first half, nung lamang yung SMB ng 4, kala ko tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Kala ko rin tuloy-tuloy na, like as how we all know SMB is to be, how they used to be in the past seasons, the past years. Usually, alam mo nang i-set mo na yung 15-20 point win, but not this time.
This time, kita mo naman, walang takot yung Converge. Dire-diretso lang sila. They're gonna keep playing their game.
They have nothing to lose naman.
They have nothing to lose, yeah.
Anything they do from this point onwards is just a plus. Ever since they made the playoffs, that's all a plus.
Kasi wala ka pang balti na to.
Wala pa kang balti.
Wala ka pang balti na to. Since wala kang not having balti playing is already a big part in itself. Kasi balti is your future star. And if you're able to do this against these type of teams without your future star, what's to say that next conference you guys are not one of the top teams in the league? Diba? That's to say na Balti meshes well with the team. That's still an important part to that. Pero that's how it's trending towards. Converge is looking really good. Now going to game 5, if you're SMB, what do you fix? I don't know, man. I genuinely don't know. You have the talent. Everybody will say you have the talent. Junmar will be able to dominate in his certain sense, and so will CJ. Pero you cannot keep taking this Converge team lightly. I think many people expected them to take the 4th game na. So many people were like, tambak na tong 4th game, di na sila di na sila what's the word? Di na sila magtatapon or di na sila
Akala ko like they're gonna use the usual lineup. Bibigay lagi kay Junmar, like they'll go back to the system. But hindi pa rin. So I think there could be internal issues within the team, especially may lumabas na report about sa spin. And I think it was Chris Ross and I know it's Coach
Leo.
But it was Coach Peter Martin pala.
This Coach Leo?
Si Coach Leo yung naabutan ng camera. So si Coach Leo was just trying to defuse the situation at that point. So the point is, nagkaka-internal issues, which is gets ko naman because I think Chris Ross is like, well, maybe internally Chris Ross is like, why are we tying with these guys?
Yeah.
Like, what are we doing? Diba? So gets ko naman.
Exactly. Gets ko naman, I agree. I don't know, if you're SMB, maybe in this next game, you have to really rely on your veterans. Motao Tua, I think, is not somebody you can play in the series right now. Kasi kakabalik lang niya. He's still getting into game shape. And it becomes a problem if he's struggling in the game and you're trying to get him back into shape, diba? So maybe you can rely on Chris Ross minutes a bit more.
Trollano, I want more minutes for Trollano, to be honest. Kasi Motao Tua cannot chase Brian Santos, man. Brian Santos keeps on going. Maano si Mode.
Mapapagod si Mo.
Mapagod si Mo.
And I will say this again and again. You gotta tell Anosike to
cut down the shots, man.
Calm down.
Bigay mo kay Junmar, bigay mo kay CJ.
Yeah, like, bro, Junmar and CJ are two of the top 5-8 players of the league. Calm down. Kasi he's taking away so many shots from them. And you expect that from an import, diba? Pero nakikita mo dito nawawala yung rhythm ng SMB .
It's the job of the coaching staff to tell him. It's not the players, diba?
Exactly,
like the coaching staff has to like, okay, EJ, thank you for sa ginagawa mo, pero ikot mo naman.
Yeah, ikot mo naman yung bola. Kasi you appreciate those type of players, yung go hard every time they're on the court. Pero nadadama yung buong team mo . Alam mo yun? Like, it's so hard to find a rhythm. CJ na nga, injured tuloy. Na-foul out na. I mean, he has
foul trouble
the whole game. Tapos pagpasok na naman sa laro, di siya bibigyan ng bola. Alam mo yun, You can't have
Hindi
you,
talaga.
you can't have your import shooting 21 shots and then your two best players after that shooting a grand total of 23. Ano yun? Ano mo yun? When we look
Oo
at the
nga, no,
current
23. Pag kinumbine mo nga yung shots ni Fajardo at ni Perez,
oh,
plus
yeah,
two, it's just two more than the total
exactly.
shots of Anosike.
Exactly. And he's getting fouled. Okay, cool. Pero the rhythm of the game is so broken if you keep if you don't pass. Oh wait, my sister's calling me. The rhythm of the game is so broken.
Ay.
When that happens.
Hmm.
Look at the import naman of Converge. Who only shot 16 times? Alex Stockton
Pero
shot
9 for
more.
6. 17 nga si Alec. Diba ito ba sila top 4? 16
Yeah.
shots. Winston, 16 shots. Aranas. Jalen Jones, 16. Stockton, 17. And King Karalipi, 7. And Baron Santos, 8. It's more of my hierarchy. Gets nila
Yeah,
na ganito tayo. May system.
yeah,
Ano mo, they're sticking to the system na that's how it's designed to be.
exactly. And even if you look at the other teams currently still in the hunt, TNT, RHJ doesn't take the most shots ever. Actually, RHJ passes the ball a lot.
Passes the ball a lot.
Passes the ball a lot. He allows Jason to create. He allows Pogoy to create. He even allows Kim Aurin
Calvin. And Calvin, he allows Calvin to create.
Exactly.
Talaga, RSJ is like, bigyan nyo lang sa akin pag
Yeah,
within the
pag
flow.
kailangan nyo talaga, sige,
Pag
okay.
kailangan nyo rin talaga.
Oo.
Like siguro 6 seconds remain in the shot clock. Sige, bigyan sa akin. Sige.
Yung Magnolia, they rely on they do heavily rely on Jabari Bird, but they allow for Paul Lee, Mark Baroka, and Elham Nisi to find their own rhythm also. They give the ball in the post to Ian Sangalang and Calvin a lot to create. Yung Hinebra mas lalo. Minsan
Oo, Hinebra mas lalo. JB is a facilitator din eh.
Minsan tumatayo na nga lang si James sa corner, hinihintay yung pasa ni Abarientos. Parang yung mga ganun. Ross, mas lalo. Ross, very role player import ngayon sa Ross eh. So right now, you're getting lost in the way I said. You're getting lost in the sauce because your import is taking a major bulk of the shots. And he isn't making most of it. Not that he isn't making most of them, but he hasn't been playing that well recently. Again, yun yung problema ng SMB right now. You gotta find more ways of getting your locals involved. And at the same time, you need to remember that you are SMB, I think. Scrap all that noise about the last two games na ano kayo ng Converge, na balikan kayo ng Converge. Go back into this last game and you just have to say, okay, we're SMB. We have the most stacked roster in the league against Ginebra. We should be able to beat a bunch of kids who are in their second or third year in the league, pare.
Yeah. And ano pa ba dito sa Converge? Laki na dito papasok no? Dito papasok laki na tulong ni na Coach Charles at ni na just the overall coaching staff just helping out each other. Coach Charles, that is bibig ko ba? Ayun, nawala na. Coach Charles, Coach Raiko, Coach Franco. Maganda yung dynamic rin nila as that coaching staff. Very modern sila. And in a way, they're out-coaching Coach George. Would you say? Malayo, They are out-coaching. Kasi they're using whatever talent they have to go up against this superstar team na may dalawang players sa top 5 ng BPC. That's Junmar and CJ.
Yeah. Thoroughly out-coached right now ang SMB ng Converge.
How do we see Game 5 playing out?
I will still lean towards SMB. They
SMB
are the
ka
more
pa rin. Okay.
experienced team. They have more veterans on the team. But I would not be surprised if Converge somehow, some way decides to win the game. To be fair, dude, let's look at this last game. Alex Stockton shot 5 for 17. He had a bad game.
Pero look at this. He had 8 assists. Like sabi, okay, my shots aren't going in. Maybe I'll facilitate. I'll see if I can make something happen somewhere. Diba? Yeah. So, yun yung napansin ko throughout the game. Kasi pinanood ko lahat eh. Kasi wala na bang yung games eh. So, kasi may PBA 7-13. So, bahay naman ako eh. Yeah. So,
ayun. Right now, if you're Alec, Alec had a pretty bad shooting night and you still won by 14.
Diba? Parang what?
Yeah, so Converge has every bit of a chance of winning this series in Game 5. I still lean towards SMB. I don't think SMB will allow themselves to lose in 5 after being up 2-0. But
anything can happen. Ako naman, I'll be the devil's advocate, Mario. I'm gonna go for Converge here. If they just do
Okay.
the same thing that they did in this game, and the fact na nahihirapan ng SMB to control their guards, sabihin natin makalusot nga SMB,
Hmm.
how are you gonna guard Hinebra if itong Converge guard lineup is technically not the same level as SMB's guard lineup? And then you're
Yeah.
cooked, man. Like
Yeah.
hindi to magandang showing
Just
to
have a
show
good
na
show.
kaya
Yeah.
nyo manalo sa next round.
Mm-mm.
Kung sa guards
As
pa
of
lang na
yeah,
Converge, hirap na kayo. What more? Sa
yeah. As
next
of right now,
oh,
your team is looking. Yeah, sobrang kitang-kita yung. I think it's Chinks. Is it Chinks?
Jinx?
Chink
What are we
yung-
jinxing?
No, Chink, and
The chink in the armor. The chink
yeah,
in the
Chink.
armor.
Is it Chink? Yeah, Chink. Kita mo
CHINK.
yung
Oo.
chinks in their armor, chinks, whatever. I found a way to say. In their armor right now, kitang-kita mo. And now, even if you make it to the second round, not many people will still favor you, but not as much as before. Because everybody knows how to exploit your weaknesses right now. And ayun, it's gonna be a good game, I'm fairly certain. Is it tomorrow?
I let me check the PBA website.
Parang tomorrow,
But
yeah.
well, while we're checking, Game 5 is tonight, guys. Kasi Game 5
Ng
tonight
Macros,
ng
ng Macros.
Magnolia and Ross. It's gonna be an Antipolo. Aminin ko na di ako pupunta doon. Malayo ako sa Antipolo. It's a 2-hour drive. But we will watch. We will definitely watch kami ni Mario via Pilipinas Live.
Yeah.
Our choice for watching the
Our
PBA.
choice.
Not sponsored, but they
PBA.
just yeah. Not sponsored,
Uh,
but we just support our local channels.
it's a good
and
app.
streaming.
It's a good app. And also like before we talk about we close it out. Tonight's game is gonna be really fun and Magnolia Ross. It's gonna be
Pwede ka
such a
mag-record tonight? Record tayo
Not
tonight
sure.
after ng.
Yeah,
Di ka
we'll
pa
see.
sigurado. Well, let's see
Yeah.
kung ganito naman the next day. Kasi for sure naman,
Yeah.
whoever wins that game will have a few days of rest. So we can obviously do an episode, interact na this is how we want it to be. But yeah,
Yeah. Yung
Game
Hinebra nga,
5.
yung
Ano
Hinebra,
meron sige?
sobrang tagal na nga ng pahinga nila.
Biglang pahinga no?
Yeah. People were
Sila pa
expecting them to be
nagpahinga.
playing soon, but they've been playing. Tagal ng pahinga nila. I think later it goes towards Ross. Not gonna lie. I know I said before in the magazine 5, but I think Ross is gonna come out later. I woke up today feeling Ross. I woke up today feeling
You
Ross.
feel like it's Ross? Okay.
Like Ross
also feel like
later.
it's Ross, but it's just like 3-4 points. Ganun lang.
Yeah,
Ulit.
I feel like it's gonna be Ross.
Because Ross always wins in those tiny margins. Pero pag manalo Magnolia, siguro mga 20 plus yung panalo nila. Di ba? Labo.
I think yung difference talaga later will be how much can Ross contain Bolly and Jabari Bird. The rest,
Okay. Tama
let them go.
naman.
The rest,
Pero
the rest,
gago,
let them go.
Han Macy, pag pumutok yan, nakakatakot rin si Han Macy. It
Okay
just
lang,
changes.
let him go
So,
off. Dude. Basta yung dalawa na natigil mo,
Ma-contain.
you're fine.
Lucero Bird. Okay.
Yeah. Not Lucero, Paul Lee. Yung Lucero, kahit paputok mo yan, go lang.
Si Polly yung kailangan at si Bird. Okay.
Because Polly and I feel like becomes kind of like the if Magnolia sees na Polly's playing well, they know that they're gonna win. Alam mo yun? Pero yung iba, you expect good performances from Zabe. You expect good performances from Mark and Jerick. So you need to set it early if you're Ross na we're not letting Polly get hot this game. We're not letting Jabari Bird get not hot this game. If they're able to do that, I think Ross can win. Speaking of which, I am sorry, it is pronounced Ahan Misi.
Ahan. It's always
Misi.
Ahan.
I think I've been saying Ahan Misi. I'm sorry.
Usually Aham. Di ko nga naririnig eh. Pero yeah, thanks for the guys who are listening. Like it means you guys listen to the podcast.
Yeah. It is Ahan.
Lakas ng natin ha. Lakas ng PBA podcast natin talaga. Like especially in playoffs. I think we just took advantage of it.
I think it's
because before, lagi natin pinakamahina natin na podcast PBA eh. 300, 400 views. Pero yung Poly episode natin, 5K na. Kala ko nga, baka 2K lang eh.
Yeah, anyway, also people are anyway, going back. Later game's gonna be really fun. I think for the SMB Converge series, I think in game 5, SMB stamps class na.
Or they just win by 2.
No. I feel like they're gonna be like, no, stop this shit.
Bigay na kay Junmar. Tabi.
Stop it. That's what I think is gonna happen.
Huwag na tayo magaguhan dito.
Yeah. Tama na to.
Hindi na to, dito best of 7.
Di na kami natutuwa. Let's finish this game. Parang ganun. That's how I feel like it's gonna go.
Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Mario, again, as always, thank you for being in this podcast. For those on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. For those on Spotify, don't forget to follow, give us a 5-star rating. We'll see you guys next time. We're gonna do a episode on the Rain or Shine. Sino yung kalaban nila? Rain or Shine versus Magnolia
Magnolia.
game
Yeah.
5. Post game reaction. Comment down below whatever you think about this episode or ano to tingin nyo mangyayari sa game 5. Peace!
Yep.